This is number 30. It says, given the graph, which set of statements are both true? So we're looking for two statements that are true. In set A, it says a quadratic equation would be an appropriate fit for the data. This data is following a linear path. That is definitely not true. And we can confirm it because it says this data represents a function. Well, if I did a vertical line test here, it passed through more than one point, which makes this also not true. So we know answer choice A is out. It says that the equation y equals x is an appropriate line of best fit for the data. So that means the y-intercept to be 0, and we'd rise 1, run 1, rise 1, run 1. So basically this line would go above the data. That's not the best fit. We want the line to be going through the data. Not a good choice. Let's just kind of see what else they said about it. It said when given the choice of correlation coefficient of 0, 0.5, or 1, r equals 0 would best represent the correlation coefficient for this data. If the correlation coefficient is 0, that means that there is mass chaos. Those points are all over the place. There's no pattern whatsoever. That's not the case in here. So that also is a bad answer. In set C, it says a linear equation that has a y-intercept of -2, so here, and then a slope of 1, so rise 1, run 1, rise 1, run 1. So we're looking like here would be an appropriate line of regression for the data. Yeah, that is a good line of best fit for this data. It's going straight through it, so that one seems to check out. It says, in general, as the independent variable increases, that means as your x increases, the dependent variable, your y, also increases. So as x gets bigger, so from here to here, the y is getting bigger. That's true. As x gets bigger, the y is getting bigger. That's true. As x gets bigger, the y is getting bigger. Not true for this one. But as x gets bigger, the y is getting bigger. That's true. As x gets bigger, the y is getting bigger. So you can see that overall, that is actually true, which is why it says in general. So this looks like it's a good answer choice. But let's check the last one. A line of best fit would have a negative correlation coefficient, which means it had negative slope. This has like positive slope here, so that would not work out. And it says the graph passes the vertical line test. If I draw a vertical line right through here, I already said it would not pass. So those two answers are out. So that leaves us with answer choice C is our best answer choice.